So I just built a website in like 10 seconds, deployed it, like it's still here, like with visa processing times, and it looks like pretty good. It's pretty crazy, and I want to like talk about this really, really fast. So essentially I was like playing around with Claude, like looking at visa information, and I was like, oh, hey, like, could you generate this as a timeline image for me? And it actually, I guess its default is to use code as opposed to ChatGPT. GPT would just generate the image. And I wrote all this stuff, but then I just like, one, you can publish it, like you just click publish and then it'll automatically do it. So it's like, oh, well, we published it, now it's available. But this has Claude's like URL and stuff. And so, that's kind of weird. But if you want to deploy it, you can just go to Cloudflare, which is, I've done this in a previous video where I used like it more extensively using Claude code. You could check that video out if you wanted to, but like for here, you just go here, go to your pages, worker pages, click create pages, and then like direct upload, and you just upload the HTML file just like that. I think you call it like index.html probably. And then you've just got like the site. And then if you want to change the name, Cloudflare has like domain stuff on the side where you can buy, and then you can just link the domain or whatever. But now you have like a website, and like you can do this for not just for like visa stuff, but you could also extend this out and do it for like, maybe you want like to sell books, or maybe you want to have like a landing page for like your mobile app that you're designing, or maybe you're launching like some kind of new service or product, whatever. And you can, show it, or you just maybe just want to show images of cats. The big thing here is that you could use this to have like just a really cool site in very short amount of time. So I didn't know about this. I didn't know this was like a thing, but this is why like overall, like I've been hyped about all of like the AI stuff, and really just looking forward to it, because like now we're kind of at a point where like there's no reason why someone can't put on their resume that they have built like some kind of like startup or some kind of like product, and then like that advances their career and their just ability to get jobs or whatever, just because like, GPT made it now where like the barrier of entry is like so low, where like if you can code, if you know how to like actually deploy code and things like that, like you can actually just ship it like so fast. I love it. I think that's like really good. And I think like if I were someone who like, if I was talking to myself when I was like 18, it would just be like just to deploy applications. Like honestly, like you can make so many really, really cool things here. So much really cool information. And then the second thing I would be telling myself is like, because with the YouTube videos, you get traction. That's how you can get like the viewers, right? That's how you can get like the users for your app. But like it would basically be like posting on, and then just making applications and deploying them. And then you get to talk about them when in the interviews and all of that. Like that's so huge. I don't know really if there's really anything else to talk about for the AI stuff. I guess this is just like one way that you can use it to deploy things very fast. But like, again, Claude code is like still really, really good. And you can use it to cut out like a lot of like stuff that you don't understand, that you don't want to focus on. So right now I'm using it to build an application with Vercel, and so deploying like a server and having it like everything like that, and it took me like 5 minutes to do. It's so crazy. All I did was just make an account and log into stuff. And so anyways, this is kind of off topic, I guess, of like the idea of like making websites in 10 seconds, but like you can really have like just a very massive impact, one for yourself, or you could even make these apps for other people, and that's like another way. So yeah, this is a short video, but I did want to talk about that. And then next series, or maybe I'll just put this at the end or whatever, but next series I'm gonna talk about how you can like the AI jobs, essentially. Like there's like a ton of like AI jobs, like here, what are the skills that you need to actually build these out? But cool. I will see you guys in another video. Yeah, because I don't have really anything else. Like, I mean, it's just, I don't know, it's fast, it's good. Yeah. So yeah, I don't, that's what this is. I love it. Peace.